Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. I just want to show you how to get these really simple beginner friendly curls. The first trick to this whole style is starting off on dry hair. Do not start on wet hair because it's going to take forever for it to dry and it will just change the style. So start it off with dry hair and make sure your hair is completely detangled. For me, this is 3-day post wash day hair. So the FLEXI rods that I'm using are 1 inch in diameter and 10 inches in length. In my pack, it came with an 8-pack for $5 and I got it from my local beauty supply store. So the styler of choice today is the Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Mousse. Honestly, you can use any mousse that you get your hands on. Just make sure that it's alcohol free. All alcohol does is dry out your hair, so you'll have a hot tangled mess if you use that. Just keep in mind. So I've already parted my hair and I chose to wear it in a deep part. From one side, what I do is I always work from the hair underneath first. Next, I make sure my hair is completely tangled free, and then I add my styling mousse. I add about 2 pumps of styling mousse. So what I do is I take half of my hair, so half of that section, I'm going to wrap it in a spiral motion around the FLEXI rods. And as I twist up, I'm going to twist the remaining part of my hair around the ends of my hair, and that way it will stay secure. Also, I bend the FLEXI rods in different positions just to make sure that it's also secure on the base of my scalp.
And have a babe, won't you be my hero? Please come capture me under the weeping.
So again, I'm splitting my hair. I'm using about 1 inch sections, and then I do smooth it out just so that I can take out all the tangles. I'm going to add the mousse, and then I'm going to take the bottom half of my hair, twist it on the FLEXI rods, and then I make sure when I twist it up that the ends of my hair is underneath or in the middle of the twisting so that it stays secure and will not unravel. It's extremely simple to do. I just repeated the same steps over and over again until I was completely done. And I ended up using 4 FLEXI rods on each side.
Won't you be my hero? Please come capture me under the weeping willow. Won't you be my hero? Please come capture me under the weeping willow. Waiting I'll be. So here, tell me please, are you the lips to my sweet phantom kiss? Or are you the venom in all of my dreams? The cause of all the thunder, the cause of all the scream. The words you told me were somehow true. The scream that I've been singing has really been blue. All that I can do is hand myself to you. Pray you let me love you. Don't be ruthless. be my hero? Please come capture me under the weeping willow, waiting happy.
Okay, you guys, I am completely done. I used 8 flexi rods and I'm about to let them dry overnight. I probably won't get any sleep, but I will definitely try with these in my head. Okay, we'll see the results. Fingers crossed.
Won't you be my hero? Please come capture me under the weeping willow, waiting how I'll be. Won't you be my hero? Please come capture me under the weeping willow, waiting how I'll be. So here, tell me please, are you the lips to my sweet phantom kiss? Or are you the villain in all of my dreams? The cause of all the thunder, the cause of all the scream. The words you told me were somehow true. This queen that I've been singing has really been blue. Now all that I can do is hand myself to you. Pray you let me love you. Don't be ruthless. You know I've been waiting for you. You know that I've been waiting. I'll let you know. You're my hero. Won't you be my hero? Please come capture me under the weeping willow, waiting happy. You know that I've been waiting for you. You know that I've been waiting for you. I want you to know my hero. Oh, you know,
I really hope you guys like this video. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more beauty, lifestyle, and nursing videos. I will see you guys really soon. Take care. Bye.
Won't you be my hero? Please come capture me under the weeping willow, waiting how I'll be. Won't you be my hero? Please come capture me under the weeping willow, waiting how I'll be. So here, tell me please, are you the lips to my sweet phantom kiss? Or are you the villain?